Hello guys, today we're playing Danny Worlds and I'm gonna be soloing as Louie. So when we're on it, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using, for my trinkets, I'm gonna be using pink bow and magnifying glass. So yeah, I'm pretty new to Dandy's World, but I used to have an account where I have my first main, which was Shelly, and I lost the account. But yeah, so we're gonna be restarting. So yeah, I'm gonna be making 2 videos and also Dandy's World videos. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned so you can see other of my videos. Oh no, I joined. I literally joined matchmaking. I forgot I was doing a solo. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut this out. Oh, sorry guys, I had to cut that out because I'm gonna be doing a solo and I unfortunately pressed matchmaking. But yeah, now today we're not gonna be doing any mistakes. So yeah, I'm just gonna change my trinkets. Well yeah, what did I use last round with? Yeah, it was pink bow and magnifying glass. So yeah, let's go. Well yeah, let's go to the elevator and make sure we don't press the matchmaking again. So yeah, let's not press matchmaking. Let's wait for the timer to end and hope no one's gonna join when there is only 1 second, because that would ruin our video. No, Tisha, no. No, Tisha, no. Yes, Tisha didn't get to join. Thank you, Quell. Tisha didn't get to join. Let's get started on this. I hope we can get to like a high floor. So yeah, I hope we can get to a high floor. So yeah, it's my first time soloing as, wait, no, it's not my first time, but my second time soloing as Louie. Hi. Yeah. So let's get started on this. We're gonna do machines. I'm super happy about the update when when you're doing a solo, there will only be like 2 machines, but it's really disappointing because there will only be 2 machines until floor until floor 3, and when you finish floor 3 we're gonna have 3 machines. But I hope we can get like to 20 floor plus, but I don't think we can get that floor. That floor is so high, and we're gonna die like floor 7, floor 8, like that, because every time I get to floor 7, like I get disconnected. Like, what is happening to my internet right now? But yeah, let's look for a machine. Where are the machines? Keep on like I think the Twisted are guarding the machines right now. Oh, there's one machine. Oh, they're together. The machines are together. So yeah, let's do this machine. Let's try to not fail a skill check, because maybe if we get dial, I'm not gonna be using dial because it's kind of I don't want to get that. Oh no, I missed a skill check. I was so focused talking, I missed a skill check. Hi Buxton, don't kill me please. Okay, so let's do this machine while Buxton is not here. Let's try to not fail the skill check again, like that. So yeah, let's get this machine done. I'm doing this so fast because I have magnifying glass. Well yeah, let's get this done. Sorry at my English. I'm not really good at English because I'm Filipino. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. I'm trying to get Glisten right now because I can get him, but I only need the money, and he literally cost 2,500. Like, that is so, that's a lot of money. to be in real life. In real life, that would be a lot of money. Like in the America, that would be like a lot of money, but in the Philippines, that like that's so small in the Philippines because the Philippines has not gotten sheep because of the war. Oh no, why you guys here? Because of the war in Iran, like that's where we get our oil. So yeah, the oil here in Philippines is really high. We need to but I don't even know how to ride I still don't know how to ride a motorcycle. So yeah, let's try to get this. So yeah guys, I had to cut that out because my charger was not charging. But yeah, let's do this machine. This machine is close, so I'll prime this if I can, because sometimes if I try to prime it, I'll finish it. But let's just try our best to prime this. And why am I always here? Why am I always here in this floor? I don't want to be here, but yeah. But you guys know how to make thumbnails because I learned from YouTube. I just watch like, oh my god, I missed a skill set. Oh, puppy, don't come here. Don't want to die so early. Oh, thank you, puppy. Yay. But by the way, guys, I have a puppy. Her name is Brownie. His name is Brownie. He's a boy. And like, we just got him today. We got him from a shelter. I'm joking. It was from my sister's, like, my sister has a husband. It was from my sister's husband's sister. Like, my sister has a husband, and his husband has a sister, and his sister gave us, oh no, I forgot, I didn't prime that machine. I forgot to prime it. But by the way, his sister gave us a puppy. So yeah, but where are the machines? Where are the machines? I keep looping around. I can't find the machine. Puppy, hello. Don't kill me, please. Oh my god. Gotta run. Oh, there's the machine. I didn't even notice that. Didn't even see it. But yeah, puppy, get off me. Forgot to prime that machine. That was, I keep forgetting stuff. But at least this is kind of close to the elevator. So let's get this finished so we can get to the 3rd floor. Oh yeah. Oh look, there's a lot of posters there. Yeah. That's the first time I noticed that there are posters there. Oh yeah. Oh, Brusha's coming here. Brusha, please don't see me. You literally have such good eyesight. Oh my god, you saw me such far away. Why did they give this Common Twisted such good eyesight? And he can't even see on his left eye because her hair is covering it. So, well, you gotta fix that. Well, yeah, let's just finish this machine so we can get to the 3rd floor. Yeah. I think this gameplay will only be 5 floors plus. I don't even think we can get to floor 10 because of this, because I'm really bad at Dante's World, to be honest. Ooh, let's pick this. Shine bright like a diamond. Yeah, I'm not really a good singer, but yeah. Let's just pick this Avaricious. I don't even know how to read it. Let's just use that. I'm almost finished on my mastery. I gotta cut that out again because I just pressed the video thingy above. But yeah, oh, there's a med kit. Oh, maybe it's getting ready for floor 5. Maybe please don't spawn a main on floor 5. I don't want that because I'm gonna die when a main spawns. Like if Pebble is gonna spawn. If Pebbles, oh my god, my lag! If Pebbles gonna spawn, I'm gonna be super angry. Yata research. I already finished on Yata research. There's a machine there also, but we don't know where the last machine is. So yeah, let's just get this ready. Okay, I'm not the most good at editing. I'm not that good at editing because you saw my Roblox video when I was like dancing. That wasn't really good editing. Oh yeah. Oh my god, Louis is coming here. Oh my god, this is such a bad space. Yeah, go there. Go there. Yeah guys, I'm gonna cut this for a while because I'm gonna go AFK because my puppy is literally gone. I'm gonna find it, so I'm just gonna cut this for a little. We found our puppy. I keep cutting. Like this video has a lot of cuts. Like I don't know. This is gonna take so much time. This is gonna take so long to export and CapCut because I use CapCut. I don't really like make the video like that. And then yeah, don't make the video on YouTube. I don't directly post it to YouTube because I'm still gonna edit it and CapCut like giving it the thumbnail. And also yes, well yeah, what I'm gonna do in CapCut is just put the thumbnail on. Because yeah, oh my god, it's Yata and I didn't know. Yeah, oh, I already know that Yata here. I just forgot. I just forgot. Oh yeah. Let's look for the last machine. I think it was there because I saw it. I think I saw it there. Yata. Super naughty. Nate Yata, nate. Oh, there's the last machine. Let's do this. We're gonna do this last machine so we can get out of this floor 3 and we can get to floor 4. And we can try to get to floor 10. I think we're only gonna get to floor 10. But I'm not gonna get to floor 20 plus. I'm so bad at Dance World soloing. But yeah. Ow! I messed up. My niece was making me smell something and then I messed up. Oh my god, they're cornering me right now. Let's do this machine. It's almost finished. Whee! Okay. Wait, I forgot where the elevator is. Oh, it's just here. Oh, I should have used this. Oh, speed. Okay. Speed, I need it. My mom's gonna home us with my dad. Oh my god, I'm so close to finishing Louis Mastery. Like I just got him. I got him I got him yesterday. I just got him yesterday. I'm already gonna finish this mastery. That's quick. Yeah, right. But some people finish it when they got Louis. Well, yeah, let's try to finish this floor 4 so we can get to floor 5. That's a milestone. God pressure. By the way, my voice is AI, joking. It's not AI. It's real. It's real. Well, yeah, that's my real voice. This is not my real. Yeah, I'm joking. My voice is like I'm like a voice changer. My voice change when I wake up. When I wake up, my voice is like different from my normal voice because when I wake up, my voice is like kind of low, like deep. But then my real voice is high and not really this voice. I don't even have an Adam's apple yet. I don't even know how to do Adam's apple, but yeah. Let's try to do this. Let's try to do this. Yeah, let's try to look for the other machine. Ooh, we have 200 now. I thought for a second that was 2000. Guys, the lag! I'm so lag! Guys, should I do like... I play sometimes as Shrimpo, and I use this. Oh my god, I'm so lag! I use this setup, like pink bow and I'll use pink bow and magnifying glass. Well, yeah. Well, yeah, let's keep this video going fun as it is. Well, yeah. I'll try to do this machine again. Look, Shrimpo is in the back. I kind of feel bad for Shrimpo. I feel bad for him, but yeah. It's not my fault that I feel bad for him. Actually, it's my fault. I don't know. Some people hate Shrimpo, but I love Shrimpo. 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 Oh, the last machine is right here. I didn't even notice. Yeah, let's do this last machine so we can get to floor 5 as a milestone. Yay! Yes. I think we're gonna end when we get like... I think I'm gonna end this when I'm like bored now. Like I'm tired of talking. I'm gonna end it like that. Well, yeah. Oh, well, yeah. Floor 5 is a milestone for me. Yeah. Like it's rare for me to get like to floor 13. Like to get... I haven't even get to floor 14. Like when I get to floor 13, I die. Like when I was like distracting. Oh, that's shabby. Yeah, that's... I always say that's shabby, even though it's that's shabby. Well, yeah. Every time I get to floor... One time when I was like playing with Louie, I was a backup distractor. Like, and I was distracting, and and the other Louie was distracting. When we got to floor 13, and there was a pebble, and our distractor died. Oh, that's Roger. Our distractor died when died when we still early when we still didn't finish the machines, and I had to distract, so I got 1 heart because I'm faster than that, and then I got to finish it when it was like panic mode. I was still distracting, and my teammates were so slow to get into the elevator. I was still distracting. I was gonna get into the elevator, but then my teammates were still not there, and when they got there, I was out of stamina, and I literally died because I was on 1 heart, and I was like overthinking. I should have stayed at... Oh my god, someone saw me, and I was like thinking I should have stayed at 2 hearts so I wouldn't die, and then like I was too dumb to think that before I distracted Pebble. But yeah, so I have experience of distracting Pebble now. Oh my god, why you keep saying my... Well, not my fault. It's not your fault that you keep saying me. I love how he likes when I get him off me, he's angry, and then he hit his head like I feel bad. Like I want to get hit now. Oh my god. Let's look at this. Look at what he does when he gets off me. Look at his head. See, and like I feel bad, and I feel bad in the same time as I love it. Like, bro. Oh my god, I'm so lagged. Shrimpo, please let me do this machine. Please let me do this machine. You're literally guarding the machine right now. Please let me finish this. Shrimpo, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. Yeah, I need this to finish this floor. I still haven't got hit. That's kind of new for me because when I get to floor 5, I already hit. When I'm using like Tisha, Roger, like that, when I get to floor 5, I already got hit. I'm gonna pick up this for just fun. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, both of the machines are here. Let's finish this. Let's finish this too so we can get to floor 6. And we can get to floor 10 and another milestone. Let's try to get to floor 20. I think when we get to floor 20, 25, I'm gonna end the video because I'm not gonna be getting to floor 50. I'm like my phone is literally gonna shut down if I get to floor 50. But I think I try to get 50 next time. When I have like a good team, I think I'll try it. I think I'm gonna be joining Discord so I can get like good teams, and we can get to like floor 20 plus, like high floors. We can get to like that floors, like those 100 floors without people dying. I really want that so I can get like twisted spears too. Oh no, I messed up. What if like when someone messed up a machine and then Roger's capsule just teleport to you open. That would be really fun and really bad at the same time because a lot of people would get hurt of that. Yes, I didn't get hurt. Oh, that was close. I almost got hit there. And yeah, let's try to get to the elevator. Just 15 seconds right now. I'm tired of always talking. Maybe next time I'm gonna make a video like not me talking. Should I do a dandy run? I'll do it, but I'm not gonna be doing dial. Just gonna be doing dandy. We're gonna see dandy. Gonna be seeing twisted dandy this. Maybe floor 6, maybe floor 7, maybe floor 8, maybe like that. Oh my god, I love how this happens. Why do I always get dandy when I'm only doing a solo? Because when Danny gets angry, they buy. My teammates like buy immediately when Daddy oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Pebble floor 6? Are you kidding me? Are you literally kidding me? Are you literally kidding me, Pebble? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is gonna be super hard. Pebble right there. I see Pebble. I literally see Pebble. Pebble research. Yeah, I kind of read Pebble research. Yeah, my god. Pebble! Why are you here? Oh. Why are you going where I'm going, Pebble? Don't turn your back. Don't turn your back. Oh, he's turning around. Oh, yeah, he's turning around. Where are the machines? Where are the picking machines? Ooh, Icor. Hello, puppy. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Super laggy. Oh my god. 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 Ooh, I can't waste this. Literally, I'm floor 6. I'm not gonna die. Not gonna die floor 6. Babu, let me do machines, please. Let's go. Sneak. We're sneaky now. Okay, we have. So let's try to do this machine without messing up a skill check because Pebble is literally gonna come to us. Let's check our surroundings because maybe Pebble's gonna pop out nowhere and I'm gonna be like I didn't know and I'm gonna get hit. That would be super bad. Like if I can get to like floor 10 not getting hit, I will be super happy. That would be a goal for me. Like that would be super good for me because that would be super great, super good, super great, super magical. Lol. Whew. I do need Pebble research though, but I already got his research. Like I got here. God, I messed up skill check and I'm lagging. God, why do I always lag when it's like the wrong time? When I'm distracting, I lag. When I'm doing machine, I lag. Like, bro. When I'm getting chased, I lag. When I'm getting chased, I lag. Like, oh my god. Wait, I mentioned chase. Oh yeah. Oh my god, Pebbles right there! Oh, don't turn your back. He's coming here? Are you coming here? Oh, good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Okay, the last machine is right there. Oh my god, this is such an open space. Pebbles right there, I think. At least it is close to the elevator. If I will survive this, I will be super happy without getting hit. Pebble on the floor and I didn't get hit. Maybe at floor 7, we're gonna get Dandy. Like, bro, there's Dandy right there. Why is there a statue of Dandy? There should not be. This is not Dandy's floor. This is Scrap's floor. This is Scrap's. No, I missed the large Pebbles right there. Oh, he's right there. Ooh. Oh my god, oh my god. Ooh, get to the elevator! Get to the elevator! Oh, yes! I survived that floor! Let's go! I survived that! We don't need medical attention. We need endurance so we can run faster. That was not a hard floor. Maybe it's just preparing us for the next floors. God, floor 7. Every time I get to floor 7, I get disconnected. Let's hope for the best that we don't get disconnected this floor. Please don't get disconnected this floor. No, the machine. My phone is literally like my phone's volume is so low that I can hear footsteps. I can hear the footsteps when a main is here. Oh, I thought that was B. I was scared, like, is that B? Yeah, and then when he got out, it was like, it's just Louis, like that. I was like that. Well, yeah, let's try to not die right now. Let's try to not. Oh my gosh! Right there, I didn't know. Where's the machine over there? Yeah, I don't care because I already got it. I use it. I'm just using it for the money. Okay, let's do this. Machine. Let's try to get floor 10 plus. So this, guess I'm kinda. That's our first hit right there. Oh my god, I was trying to get to floor 10 without getting hit. Oh no. Oh man. Well, that's okay. At least we haven't died yet. That's good. Like, well, yeah, you can see that I'm not disconnecting because every time when we finish all the machines, that's when I get disconnected. Let's just try to get to floor. Let's try to get to floor 10 plus. It will be okay for me if we don't get to floor 20, but getting to floor 10 plus is it really gets me happy. Really gets me happy. Yeah. Mama, almost that done. Oh, I spoke. Yeah. Louis, I didn't even notice Louis coming here. At least he didn't came here. Or I don't know where to go. I hope we don't get a blackout. I really hope we don't get a blackout. Like we get to a blackout on floor 10 or floor 9. And I die on floor 9. I will be super angry. Right. Oh, there's the last machine. Let's do this. Oh my god! This will take very long to export. Because the machine is 19 minutes now. This will literally take so long to export. Like this will take like more than a minute to export. Let's just try to not make it so long, so I won't be like, so I can post this video immediately and not like, oh my god, I almost didn't get the right because I was like looking up something. Let's just try to get this easy, smooth and easy, and try to get the floor 10 plus like that. I keep saying that, but if I keep saying that, I'm not gonna get to floor 10. I think because every time, yes, I didn't get disconnected. Like I'm not lagging. Yes. Yeah, Danny, I'm not gonna buy something on you because you're selling such bad stuff. Oh my gosh. No, Danny, no. Yeah, guys, these are my stickers. Yeah, I have these stickers right now. Where Dandy has not spawned yet. But yeah, we have 4 machines now. We got some lagging. I'm lagging. Oh my gosh. Why am I so lag? Roger and Roger. There are 2 Rogers, yeah. Oh, it's Roger and Finn. Oh no. It's Roger and Finn. Let's do this machine. Is that Roger? Yeah, it's Roger. Oh my gosh, Finn! I didn't know you go there. Yeah, it is Roger. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. I'm trying to get this tape. Why can't I get it? Not me. Yeah, he doesn't see me. Hello. Are you good there, Roger? Can you babysitting me today? There's another machine right there. I don't know where the other machines are, but I know that there's a machine there and there's a machine here, which I'm currently doing. So yeah, I really want to charge this phone so we can not like, so the phone will not shut down when we get to floor 10, like that. But every time I try to charge it, it's like it doesn't charge. I just try to charge it right now. We got Finn right there and I'm lagging. Look, it keeps on like going back and going back. God, I think it's in the position. I think it's my phone battery, like or in the position of my phone like that. Like I'm using a phone, like I don't even have a laptop. We got Finn. Finn is around. Finn is literally. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know you'd go there. I keep saying, oh my god. Chicken chow. Oh my god, what's your favorite movie, by the way? My favorite movie is, today. My current favorite movie is, wait, what was the name of it again? I'm trying to remember it. Trying to remember my favorite movie. Oh yeah, Home Alone. My favorite movie is Home Alone. Alone. I keep rewatching it like. What about y'all guys? Comment down below what y'all favorite movie? What is y'all favorite movie? Sorry my English. What is your favorite movie like that? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna keep quiet because like my throat is hurting. I'm just gonna keep quiet for sometimes. I'm just gonna speak, but like yeah. I'm just gonna speak when I find a machine. So yeah, there's a machine here. I'm gonna speak when I finish the machine like that. Get the elevator because my throat is hurting right now. I'm always speaking this whole video. So yeah, sorry for not speaking sometimes. Yes, we finished that machine. Let's get to the elevator now. Quick, quick. Let's get to the elevator quick. And check my mouth because my throat is hurting. This is the last floor and I'm gonna get the floor 10. Oh, Keegan! Oh my god, you're lagging! Yes, wait, no, that was not bad. Keegan, get off me. I'm not finished with Keegan research. Let's take this. Let's take this. It's Tegan and Finn. It's Tegan and Finn. Good. Yeah, and then chat me. There's a machine right there. Oh my god, who saw me? Oh my god! Tegan and Finn are on me right now. Oh, box of chocolate. Oh my god, my inventory is full right now. Get off me, y'all. I'm lagging. Let's get this machine. Let's get that. Let's do this machine. Okay, I'm lagging. Oh shit! I'm lagging! Oh, yeah, that's a wrap. Yeah, that's all for today. Oh my god, I'm so angry that didn't get to floor. Didn't get to floor. Not 10, but yeah. That's all for today's video. Bye!